but you can reach the top. You know where to find the top. Yes. So 你的那个 criteria 是什么？
I have
No, really, like because you guys are
no very specific standard.
Yeah.
Just
just shy.
handsome is not impossible.
Oh,
but it's not important.
It's not important. Is it?
Sorry.
It's not important, really. Okay.
But I think I will select a person who will make me happy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and maybe a young boy.
Young boy. Young boy.
Yeah,
Cool.
I feel very energetic.
Yeah. You like energetic
that's all.
stuff, yeah?
Yeah, just the most important is
You like energy.
No, make me happy.
You like energy to make you happy.
Funny.
Like energy to make you happy. Very, very good. So we have a lot of chance, boys. Right? We have a lot of chance, right? Like just now, our interview just disclosed to you, that the sum of the best university in the world, the ladies, what they're looking for. If you work hard, study hard, that's one of the benefits that you'll be in. So yeah, come and speak to us, like private message us, and if you are, one of these criteria, okay? Thank you, ladies. And sorry?
I have the criteria.
You have a criteria. Okay, please tell us your criteria.
Non-smoking, non-drinking.
Non-smoking,
Yes,
non-drinking,
not playing games.
not playing games. What kind of games?
Computer games.
Right. You sounds like you're speaking for someone.
No. I just told the teenagers.
You just tell the teenagers.
Not drink too much. Not drink too much.
Not drink too much, yeah?
Not go to bar too much.
Yeah, not go to the bar too much.
Yeah.
Very, very healthy.
Yes.
Very, very healthy.
To be healthy.
Very, very healthy.
And you must to be
So,
energetic.
yeah.
And work out.
Energetic to make you happy.
No. You better
You
work
gotta
out.
be energetic to make.
You
Yeah.
better work out.
Yeah.
3 times a week.
3 times a week, yeah.
At least.
Yeah. So is your success? I just realized that you may have a boyfriend, right, next to you.
Yeah.
So are we meeting some of the criteria already, or everything?
Yeah, everything.
Everything done deal. Okay, right. So
And I think boys must travel.
can we zoom in this man, because this man have all these criteria these ladies want, right? So it's not a joke. You see, he's right in the middle of all the top ladies. So yeah, gotta be someone, in order to be that. So yeah, cool. Fantastic.
But Stan, as a man, I have something to say.
Yes.
I think computer games like the alcohol,
it's good.
is necessary.
It's necessarily
Yes,
from University of Melbourne. Oh, cool.
for a man to maybe relax.
Yeah.
I think you need to make a balance between your work and your maybe some unhealthy hobbies.
Yeah, sometimes you need to be a little bit unhealthy. Yeah.
Sometimes we do something like drinking or like playing computer games. It doesn't mean that we are a bad boy.
Yeah. It's obviously you're a good
Yeah,
boy.
Sometimes we can find some